Hello again, this is Don Oglesby, CEO of Homes of Hope. I promised you an update in the last video, and so I wanted to make sure I kept my promise. Four quick things I'm going to update you with, and then one thing at the end that I'm going to ask you for help. So please hang in there with me. The four things are, number one, the team of 29 volunteers who are calling all of the families in our affordable rental housing to check on them have gotten about 75% of the way through. They're doing an amazing job, but what they're finding out so far is that many of them are adversely affected economically by the coronavirus. And so there's a big need there. And I want to tell you about how you can help at the end. Some more to come on that. Secondly, I want to just say to you, in case anybody's wondering at all, no one will lose their home as a result of the coronavirus. Let me just declare it and say it right out front, okay? Because we're all in this together, and this is not their fault. All right, thirdly, the men's program. The men are healthy, staying socially distant, but yet they are continuing their training, and they're doing a great job, and I wanted to update you on them because I failed to mention them in the first video. And then lastly, our employee who's in the hospital, we are praising God today that he answered prayer, and I know many of you prayed. She is home and recovering and doing well, and we are so grateful for that, and thank you for praying. So there's a couple of things that I want to make sure that I say that we're going to do, that we're committed to do now and in the future. One is we're going to improve. Somebody said one time, don't waste a good failure. I don't know if this is a failure, whether it's a crisis or disaster, whatever it is. We don't want to waste the opportunity to get better. So one of the ways we're committed to get better is to know our clients on a deeper level. It's one thing to know about your clients. It's another thing to know your clients. So we really want to get to know them on a deeper level, and we've seen the opportunity to improve there, and we're going to. Also, our systems, our policies and procedures, we're looking at every one of them. Things like this sometimes expose holes in your system. We're going to take advantage of that exposure and get ourselves better and increase our excellence. We're committed to do that. And then the third thing we're committed to do is to weather the storm. We're looking at every resource that's out there to try to make sure that we can connect our clients to resources and also find resources that will help us keep our doors open, because we have to keep our doors open. We have to keep the ministry moving forward and keep doing what we're called to do. So we're looking under every rock, and I wanted you to know that. Lastly, how you can help. We have established a COVID-19 relief fund. I think I was the first donor this morning before we announced it to the public. It's very easy. I just went on the website, clicked the button, and gave. You can too, and we really encourage you to do that. Now, this fund is what we're calling the Nimble Fund, so that we can react and be nimble enough to react to the adverse circumstances of the COVID-19 crisis, whether that be help for clients or whether that be help for us keeping our doors open from decreased revenues. Whatever it is, we want it to be nimble enough to react, and that's what we're asking you to consider giving to. Now, please don't stop your normal giving. We got to keep our doors open. Please don't stop that. Let this be a both and, not an either or, please. We ask you to consider that. And either way, we are so grateful to you for who you are and how you've been so generous to us in the past and for being a part of the Homes of Hope family. Y'all are awesome. I want you to know that I personally every day pray for all of our donors, every day, and many of our staff does as well. I'm praying for you, for health, prosperity, provision. I'm praying for you because you're part of our family, and I'm grateful to you. Please consider all these things, and thank you so much for what you've already done. Thank you.